Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem number 19. Find the equivalent resistance across the terminal A and B. So when you see this network, it's very clear that 6 and 9 are connected in parallel, 6 and 9 connected in parallel, 6 and 9 are connected in parallel. So that's why I am going to first solve this. These two are connected in parallel, these two are connected in parallel, and these two are connected in parallel. So whenever they are connected in parallel, then we can solve it. Okay, so therefore we are going to get one resistor between A and B. Okay, and we are going to get another resistor here and another resistor here. Okay, so this is one resistor connected between C as well as D. So you can see here whenever two are connected, and you can see all values are of same. Whenever two resistors are connected in parallel, the formula is product of resistance divided by sum of resistance. Here also the same formula will be applicable. So 9 into 6 divided by 9 plus 6, then you are going to get it as 3.6 ohm. This is also 3.6 ohm. This is also 3.6 ohm. So you can see here the currents actually start at this point and it will come to a junction, and the current will divide as I1 as well as I2. But what happens here is the current I2 flows across 3.6 like this, and the same current will flow across 3.6. Why? Because here the current in this branch is open circuited, the current in this branch is 0. So therefore the current flows in 3.6 and same current flows in 3.6. Therefore the resultant you are going to have like this. Here you are going to have a single resistor between the nodes. The nodes are A as well as B, and this is only a single resistor. That's why 3.6 ohm. These two are connected in series, 3.6 and 3.6. If we are going to add, then just add it and substitute here in parallel, then you are going to get it as 7.2 ohms. Okay, so these are the two resistors which are connected in parallel. Okay, so again you can observe that these two are again connected in parallel. Okay, whenever these two are again connected in parallel, what happens is, so two resistors are again connected in parallel, then you are going to get a single branch resistance across Rab. When the two are connected in parallel, the formula is 3.6 into 7.2 product divided by sum, 3.6 plus 7.2. So whenever you do the calculation part, then we are going to get it as 2.4 ohms. The resultant resistance is now 2.4 ohms is the answer, which is nothing but Rab, which is 2.4 ohms. So we may get confused. Let us try to see here. I solved like this. Let us try to mark this as method 1. And method 2, how you are going to get here is, so you will get a dot. This is connected in delta form. Okay, so this is an delta. Okay, so if you convert this delta to an star, then you are going to get the nodes here. This is node 1, node 2, and node 3. Okay, so this node is nothing but node A, and this is node C, and this is node B. So already they are connected in delta. So I want the star for this. So this is the star value. So this is the star value. So the center point will act like an neutral. So also there also I'm going to get star. Here also I'm going to get an star, and this will act as an neutral. So this is what we actually require. So how to find this black color resistor, center resistor? So if you use 1, why? Because all resistors are same, the answer is same. So the center value you can find, this black color resistor is connected between which two violet color resistors? 3.6 and 3.6. There's nothing but 3.6 into 3.6 divided by, so all three are connected, sum of 3 is 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6. So whenever you do like it, then you are going to get this resistor is 1.2 ohm. This is also 1.2 ohm, same, all 3.6 divided by 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6, automatically you will get 1.2. If you use your brain little bit in high end, you can see here this delta is an balanced delta. When you're converting a delta to a star, each value will be divided by 3 times. So it's nothing but 1.2. So like this also our answer is correct. So we require the resistance between R, A, B, which is nothing but this point. This is nothing but B point or D point. So when you see this, current flows like this. Okay, so current flows like this, and current again. So actually current flows like this, and current flows like this, and current continue to flow in this branch, and it is tries to form an closed path. Okay, so in this path only the current will be flowing. So then you can see here the current starts flowing like this, and it forms an closed path. So current will not flow in this path. Why? Because so it is open circuit. Whenever it is open circuit here, current becomes 0. So the current in this path is 0. So therefore the resultant I am going to have only a single resistor, which is nothing but RAB between these two terminals is nothing but whenever these two are connected in series, 1.2 plus 1.2, which is also 2.4 ohm. So here also you got 2.4 ohm, here also you got 2.4 ohm, if you want to treat this as an method 2. So what I want to convey is, whatever the method you solve, answer should be same, then automatically you can understand better. So that's how to understand the concept. Hope you're able to understand better, and things are also very clear. So if you feel the content is useful to you, please like the video, please share with your friends, those are also studying the same subject, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel to get more solutions of an unsolved problems. So this is a free channel for the development of students as well as for faculty. Thank you for watching. Yours obediently, Ram.